Wonderful morning to everyone. Today I am here to share the feedback of financial reporting classes by CA Manoj Gupta. Actually, friends, it is really an amazing experience being with these classes. These classes are really a life-changing experience, and it changed my perspective completely. Actually, I think FR, the financial reporting subject of CA final examination, as the most toughest subject in my CA final. I was not able to recollect the concepts, not able to understand the concepts, and with the help of Manoj Gupta sir, I was able to understand the concepts very beautifully and very easily. And he always says that FR is so easy. So the thing which we require is that we have to believe in the teacher. We have to have the trust in our teacher that he will be teaching us in a very good manner. So it requires time. And it was the month of April, and I was not able to think of FR because the time was very less. And in the just back examination, the November 17, I just secured 34 marks in financial reporting. I was in a condition that I was thinking that this time also I will not be able to clear because of FR. But as soon as I come to know about Manoj Gupta sir from Facebook, Telegram, and a faculty of audit, Sanidhya Sraf sir, and I came to know that he is a very good teacher, and I talked to him. He is a very humble and kind person. He helped me a lot. He taught me a lot. He told me to view his videos available on YouTube, and I just watched one or two lectures. I was able to recollect all the concept very easily, and he taught in a very easy manner because he taught us a concept that 80-20. What is this concept? It is all about that 80% part of every question is common. Just there is a 1 to 2 point change that comprises of 20%, and rest all process is same in the holding, in amalgamation, in valuation. These are the various concepts which take a lot of time, but the way he covered all the concepts in just 52 hours, it is not a fast track course. It is the way, the techniques he used so as to shorten the duration of the course. It is like his art. I will really appreciate it. It is just a commendable thing he has done for the CA final student. And from the beginning of my chartered accountancy course, even before when I was in class 11-12, I was not able to understand the counting concepts very beautifully, very easily. I was not good at accounts. But after studying from Manoj Gupta sir, he starts from the basics, and he always tried us to recall the concepts we have studied earlier in 11-12, in CPT, in IPCC, in C final, and at last to merge them all and to reach at a conclusion that what is the things which we just have to add. Then you will be finding that there are the very less things which you have to focus on. And the 80-20 concept is really awesome, and it is applicable everywhere. Like the chapter like value added statement, you will be able to see that there is only just 1 to 2 concepts which are difficult, or which require time, or which we have to consider while doing the question, and the rest all is just a format based. He covered it so beautifully, so awesome concepts he covered, that it was really an amazing journey studying with Manoj Gupta sir. And till the exam day, I used to talk to sir in the evening. Sir, I am not feeling confidence. I am not feeling confidence. On the day of 16th April and on 9th April, I bought the classes, and from the 16th or 15th April, I started watching the classes. I usually watch 5 to 6 hours daily, and in the period of span of 10 days, I completed all the classes, and after that, I started revising the concept. I have just followed his material, and also did some questions of small chapters from practice manual, and I was able to perform very well in the exam. In the exam, when I went, I was still not confident because sir usually say me that you will be scoring 80 plus marks. I was not believing that how it's possible to secure 80 marks in a subject like accountancy and in the paper of CA final examination. It was really an unbelievable for me. But when at the time when I reached my exam center, the exam question paper were distributed, and I started seeing the question. I was seeing that everything is seen, and I know each and every concept. I was able to do 5 questions at a stretch, not even stopping for a single minute to think, and I was able to complete my paper on time. And it was just because of Manoj Gupta sir, his guiding, his tips, the videos, the small short tips he shares on Telegram, it is, and WhatsApp. It is really amazing. And when I come out of the exam, I seen that I was able to attempt more than 90 marks of paper, And at last, when I came to my home, I realized that I forgot, it was my careless mistake, that I was forgot to give the journal entries of a question. Because of that, my attempt goes around 86 marks, and I am able to secure 77 marks in this attempt in May 18. I am so happy. It is my highest score in ever in a subject from the CPT, IPC and CA final, that I have scored 77 marks in a single subject of CA final. It is a dream come true for me, and it's just because of his blessings and the way he teaches the concept so beautifully. And he's a very good teacher, nice and humble person. So friends, I would like to tell you that please entrust your trust in him and try to take his classes, because he will not only tell you the concepts, he will also garnish your other concepts, other knowledge, and this thing will be going to help you in other subjects also. So please be patient and please have a belief, and he is really a very good faculty, and it's really a blessing for me from the God that I am able to get his classes. Even he is living in Mumbai and I am in Rajasthan, Shri Ganganagar, and my name is friend Rohit Agarwal, CA Rohit Agarwal, and I secured 77 marks in FR, and it was a journey from 34 to 77 in just a single attempt. And just I have studied for 20 days, and not even for 20 days, it was from the 16th April I started studying FR, and it was really an amazing experience. The way I reached my home, I was so happy that because of FR only today I am able to clear my CA final, and it's because it's a special thanks to Manoj Gupta sir. He is a great mentor to me. He guided me a lot, he helped me a lot. Even on the exam day when I was feeling low, he helped me a lot, he boosted my confidence. It's really an amazing journey. So friends, having a mentor like Manoj Gupta sir, it's like a blessing to me. Thank you so much friends, and my contact number is 9413755503. I am repeating it again, 9413755503. At any time, if you feel any guidance from me or anything you want to inquire more, ask more, you can call me anytime. I am available. This is your friend CA Rohit Agarwal. So friends, please give it a try, because you will not feel very dissatisfied, because I am sure that he will be going to change your results drastically, because I have experienced it. And special thanks to Manoj Gupta sir. Sir, I have no words to express my gratitude towards you. Thank you so much sir. It's all about my journey from 34 to 77 mark. I salute your 80-20 concept. It really helped me in other subjects also, because it changed my perspective. And if you know very well that if your first exam goes well, then it's very easy to give other exams, because your confidence is boosted, and because of that I am able to secure good marks in other subjects also. Thank you so much sir. Bye bye. Take care.